Hi everybody, my name's Matt.Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon today to show you a nice trailer. This is a Jayco J-Flight. It's called a 242 BHSW, which is a type of bunkhouse model. It's a dynamite floor plan and we're going to start with that, so just follow me. Going in, you see they've come standard now with this nice grab handle, so it's easy. That folds away, but it's good to have something to hang on to. So now we're in a Jayco. A couple of things to mention about the Jayco. They've been around over 50 years. They're a company with a real legacy. I sell a lot of Jaycos. I have a lot of happy customers because of it. They're always good right out the door. And in fact, Jayco is the only company out there that offers a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty on their coach. That includes their construction, their appliances, the things that they do to build this trailer. Most companies only have a 1-year warranty, and by the time you get through your first summer of camping, you pull it out of winter storage, you go back, you're out of warranty. That's not the case with Jayco. You have a chance to get services if you need them. All right, let's take a look at the blueprint in here first of all. This is a great design because it's a bunkhouse, but it's got double bunks. These are 2 doubles and they hold a lot of weight. In fact, you could put 600 pounds in the top bunk. That's unheard of. And they have these great mattresses with teddy bear hair on them, which I really like. It's super soft. The kids love it. Now, if you don't have kids with you all the time, you can also use these for storage. It's a great place to load your fishing poles or your skis or what have you. I mean, I can think of 1,000 things I need room for when I go camping. I can use this space very versatily. In fact, I could use 1 bunk for stuff and 1 bunk for people. That's another way. Okay, we have a very large refrigerator in here. This is a big Norcold 8 cubic foot fridge. Most trailers in this price point just have small 5 or 6 cubic foot fridges, but you can really load up with this thing. It also has an oven if you like to make some biscuits, and it has a microwave, of course, a big double sink, and it has a articulating shower or faucet so you can, get in there and rinse out your pots and pans or tell somebody to shut up if you want. Okay. The bathroom's great. You can see that it's bright and light. It has a big skylight, has a porcelain toilet, and one thing that's really unusual about this trailer is it's got a large step-in shower. It is not a bathtub, and so for people that don't want to step up over the top of that big bathtub lip, this is a great one for access for people that just don't have the mobility anymore to get up into a bathtub. So that's pretty cool here. We have a large pantry. You can put a ton of stuff in there. And this one has a horseshoe dining area. Horseshoe dining areas are great because, first of all, you can sit people obviously all around them. You can play Scrabble or whatever. Kids can be here. But the other thing is they make a larger bed when you fold them down, and they also make a lot of storage. This whole thing is all storage underneath. In fact, as you look around in this Jayco, you see a lot of storage. For a smaller trailer without getting into too much size, you usually have to give up storage. But they've done a great job in here. Now this has a home theater system already in it, and it's got storage for all kinds of things that you may want to have in here. But look at the bedroom. They've done a cool idea here. First of all, we've got large nightstands on each side of the bed. There's electrical hookups here, so if you have a CPAP machine or a charger for your phone, you can plug right in. There is storage for hanging and overhead space, LED lighting. In fact, all the lighting in this trailer is LED. And it has a large queen bed, 60 wide, just like one in your house. And look at the storage underneath. I think you can get way too much stuff in here. The other thing that's kind of neat about this trailer, if you look at most of the trailers today, they have really low profile front ends. They're very sloped. This has a full size front, and you don't get that claustrophobic feeling over your head in this one like you do in so many trailers today. It's dynamite. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the inside. Let's see what they got outside. Follow me. Now the first thing I want to show you is that this Jayco is a J-Flight, but it also is the Rocky Mountain Edition, and it has a thermal package. What does that mean? Well, the Rocky Mountain Edition means that it has some features to make it more useful in our climate, in our northwest area. The best thing they put in here is they have an 80-gallon freshwater tank. Most of the trailers you look at that are in this price point either have 30 or maybe at the most 40 gallons of fresh water. You can haul 80 gallons. That's, that's a couple of weeks out in the woods if you want. Nobody's really got that. That's fantastic. As we look around the front, also I wanted to mention the thermal package. That is an extra extra layer of insulation above and beyond the normal insulation materials that makes this a warmer trailer in cold climates, and it also helps keep it cooler when it's hot. Another thing you'll get to help with that is this dark tinted glass. It really keeps it cool inside. Look at the storage underneath. This is across the front, another view of that. Remember, the whole bed area opens up into this space, so you can really put a lot of stuff in there. We've got a power tongue jack. We've got a diamond plate rock guard here in the front. And if you notice over here, there's a little bib. Sorry, I should have showed you this before we came around. There's a little bib down here. That's for a portable solar panel, so I can reinforce my batteries, which is dynamite, especially for people who like to use all that water and go dry camping. Now, it's important to talk about on this model, the J-Flight, that it's a sheet metal exterior. A lot of times people think that the sheet metal is not as fancy or not as good as the smooth side fiberglass, but I'm here to tell you, this is very, very durable and very reliable. Sun does not damage sheet metal. You can look at really old RVs and really old boats that are made out of sheet metal, and they will last and last and last, where fiberglass can weather over time. And laminated trailers can delaminate. This is not laminated, it's a hung wall, and that means that it's not laminated, therefore it won't delaminate. That's pretty nice. Now this has a rack and pinion slide system. A lot of trailers with a small slide like this don't have that. Rack and pinions are the most reliable, most durable systems you can buy. We look around here, we also see that we have a sewer flush, we have an outside shower. There's your waste station, easy to get to. You don't have to be a contortionist to do your dump station in this one. And we also notice that this has a ladder up to the roof. Now Jayco, they have 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floors and 3/8 exterior grade tongue and groove roof decks spread across a Magnum truss roof, which is one of their patented features. They're very, very strong, and they give you access to that roof so you can inspect your seals and you can remove debris from your slide out. You got to have a nice strong roof to do that. That ladder tells me a lot, and it also tells me when I compare to other trailers why I might buy a Jayco, because I see the ladder, I see the strong patented design to the roof, and it sets them apart. Also, as I said before, the 2-year warranty and the 50 years or more of building, they're just well known. In fact, these are really the best-selling trailers in the country. I'd love to show it to you in person or answer any questions you might have, so you can reach me here at Guaranty. My name is Matt.Elliott, and my number is 541-954-8495. Thank you for watching the video. You have a great day.